Hello there once again, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel.
Yay!
Alright, so today we're gonna be discussing Pentaceratops, guys. So today we have a Dino Escape Pentaceratops and a custom paint Pentaceratops. There's no variant yet of this, that's why I made another one. So this one right here, it doesn't have a sound. It's a gigantic tracker, and Mattel doesn't put sounds on them. Like the Elasmosaurus, Sinotyrannus, Stegosaurus. Okay, there's the DNA scan of the Pentaceratops. What year was this released? It's hard to tell now. So it says 2021 right there. Okay. So this one right here, the first button, it has a goring action. See, it gores you. There we go. Then the second one, it swings the body. You push it, see, like there. I don't remember where it looks like a helmet, like a cage thing. You put it here. I must have misplaced it somewhere downstairs. But anyways, it has soft rubber horns. Definitely safe. Totally safe. The mouth does not move. Okay, the tail turns around. You can twist it. There you go. That's the proper way. They didn't color the toes, the claws. Nothing there. It's a nice eye paint right there. Totally accurate. Very nice. Alright, now we will see to the custom. Alright. Custom paint, it is exactly the same as this back then. I just painted it black and green. That's and some little gray, my favorite colors. There you go. There's the bottom. There's the DNA scan. If you scan it, it is exactly the same thing. There you go. And the reason why we chose the Pentaceratops today is because we have Beast of the Mesozoic Pentaceratops. So I got this like a couple of weeks ago for my birthday. Stan Burgie. It says right there. So we will compare it to Mattel's Pentaceratops. So this is Creative Beasts Studios. Let's see what their variants look like. We're gonna unbox it. Okay, guys. Our last Beast of the Mesozoic review was back in March, so it's been a while now. That was the Styracosaurus, I believe. So it's been really so long. It's been months now. Oh. Alright, we got that out. Let's unbox it. Alright, guys. Okay. There you go. Let's take it out. There you go. Very nice. It looks like a big boy, like the Pachyrhinosaurus. Okay. Let's take out the tail first. Alright, well, I'm trying to unbox this. Oh my goodness. I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. Ow. Okay. Okay, got it out. Got the tail. Now this looks like a hard wire here. So let's check the back. You got the card right there. We're not really into the card. Okay. Oh wow, this is a lot. This is a lot, guys. Alright, I think I got it out. They've seriously wired it, guys. Oh my gosh. It's ridiculous. Okay, let's take him out. Oh wow, there's one more on it. Good. Goodness. There, got him out. Now let's put the tail. It has a ball joint there. What? It's so hard. Alright guys, I'm having issues with the tail. It's really hard and I can't find my blower. So this is what it looks like right now. This is the tail. I'm having a hard time putting it on. But anyways, what it looks like right now, it looks like a flaming dinosaur. It looks like it's on fire. Look at the paint job on this guy. Really nice. Yeah, I'm having issues putting it on. But anyways, let's see the mouth. Yeah, it moves a little bit. Close. That's it. That's all it can. Oh yeah. They did put a tongue in there. There is a tongue. Now let's compare to Mattel's. It is bigger. Definitely bigger. Taller. Look at that. Yeah, look at the body. See? Way bigger. So this boy is real bigger. Bigger than the Mattel version. So yeah, look at the color. It looks beautiful. Look at the horn on that. Spike right there. Just like this guy. It has it. So it's really nice. Perfect. It's like the leader of the Pentaceratops now. Really nice, guys. Look at that. Beautifully done. It's heavy as a weight. This is like what, 5 to 7 pounds? Okay, I'm gonna do this later. I'll put this on later. So yeah. There you go. Okay, guys. Alright, so yes, sorry I couldn't put the tail on. And we're running out of time. Let's see. It moves. So yeah, that one moves. Legs move as well. Yep, stretches. Alright, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for today. Alright, guys, thank you so much. I can't. It's so hard. Alright, guys, so next video will be a carnivore video, okay? We'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much, and click that bell button for the next episode coming. Let's check this out too. Alright, look at that. Yeah. Alright, guys, thanks again. You guys have a good evening. Bye for now.